In this video, I'm going to talk about how to give tips to students without embarrassing them. What I usually do, like some of my students are they're too shy to get like a direct correction. Sometimes they're just feeling insecure. You can see it in their body language. And what I usually do is I would spot in the corner of my eye somebody's doing something that could be improved, and I would start explaining it to the entire room, like saying don't forget to do this when this types of movements are being performed. And then I would scan the room and I would finish my explanation with that particular person that I saw was not doing it perfectly. So I would just look at that person straight and make sure that I have eye contact. So I understand, I make sure that that person understood what I was saying, and it would also be for her or for him. So by talking to the entire group, they don't feel targeted. So try to use this in your classes. It's super handy, it works super well. And see you in the next video.